Flooding. Heavy rain briefly halted operations at Dubai International Airport. Torrential rain flooded roads, homes and malls and briefly halted operations at Dubai's airport as storms lashed the Gulf on Tuesday, after leaving at least 18 dead in Oman. Dubai, the Middle East's financial center, was paralyzed by the heavy storms that caused widespread flooding around the United Arab Emirates and Bahrain. Flagship shopping centers Dubai Mall and Mall of the Emirates both suffered flooding, and water was ankle-deep at least one Dubai metro station. Roads and residential communities also suffered heavy flooding in scenes repeated around the oil-rich Emirates, a desert country where rain is an unusual event. Schools were shut across the UAE and were expected to remain closed on Wednesday, when further storms, including hail, are forecast. Dubai Airport, the world's busiest international hub measured by passenger traffic, suspended operations for 25 minutes and canceled more than 50 flights. Unconfirmed images on social media showed planes taxiing across an apron flooded with deep standing water. Due to the intense storm, operations were temporarily suspended for 25 minutes this afternoon, but have since recommenced and are now in recovery mode, a Dubai airport spokesperson said. The Asian Champions League football semi-final between the UAE's Al Ain and Saudi side Al Hilal, due to be hosted in Al Ain, was postponed for 24 hours because of the weather.
Oh my goodness.